Part 1. Social interaction. Good afternoon, teacher. I am going to talk about energy. Firstly, I guess the main source of energy in my country is coal, which is mined in Quang Ninh province. Turning to question 2, as a tropical country, wind and solar power are the two main green energy sources used in my country. Regarding the third question, I believe there are many ways we can save energy. However, the easiest way may be to switch off all electrical things when they are not in use. Now, let me present the second topic, the weather in my hometown. First, the weather in my hometown is quite nice, with two distinct seasons, the sunny season and the rainy season. Next, my favourite season is the rainy season, because it is romantic and the weather is cooler than in the sunny season. Then, yes, it is. The weather affects people's lives in my country so much. Heavy rain, storms or floods can cause severe damage to lives or properties. Part 2. Your primary school plan to Part 2. In this situation, if I can choose the best option among the 3 suggested options for my primary school to teach students about the environment, I would choose planting a young tree for several reasons. The primary reason for my choice is that it is easy and inexpensive for children to conduct. Moreover, it helps protect the environment in the long term. It also makes the air fresher, and planting and growing a tree can foster a love of nature among young students. In contrast, I don't think collecting garbage in the community is the best choice, because the school may not receive parent support. Similarly, recycling things is not ideal, since it is difficult and sometimes dangerous, as they need tools, some of which are sharp. In conclusion, I strongly believe that planting young trees is the best solution in this situation. Part 3. There are some benefits of green trees. It goes without saying. Part 3. It goes without saying that there are several benefits of green trees. First and foremost, green trees play an important role in life. Indeed, they help purify the air by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen, which is crucial for improving air quality and protecting human health. Secondly, They are a food source for many animals, helping maintain biodiversity and supporting a healthy, balanced ecosystem. Thirdly, they prevent floods. Trees' roots hold soil together and absorb large amounts of rainwater. Therefore, they reduce soil erosion, slow water flow, and lower the risk of flooding. Moreover, in my opinion, green trees make our surroundings more beautiful and peaceful by bringing people closer to nature and helping reduce stress in daily life. In conclusion, green trees have several benefits, as discussed above. Finally, now is the time for further questions. For the first question, I think schools should organize annual events for students to plant trees to foster their love of nature and raise their awareness of environmental protection. Next, there are several benefits of planting trees, such as creating green areas and open spaces, improving air quality, and providing shelter and food for wildlife. Then, to encourage people to plant more trees, the government should encourage schools to organize environmental activities for children to participate in. Besides, they can offer tax reductions to companies or organizations that have a certain amount of green areas. Further questions. Should schools organize annual events for students to plant trees? What are the benefits of planting trees? What should the government do to encourage people to plant more trees?